Have you ever wondered if you can utilize your sleep to manifest your deepest desires? Is it like too good to be true? Maybe. But if you have never tried manifesting while you are sleeping and this interests you, you're gonna wanna watch this video as we explain why it might be the answer for you. Hi, I'm Randy, and alongside me is Crystal. We're energy manifestation coaches dedicating to helping women like you harness the power of your energy to connect with the universe, align with your higher self, and to bring your manifestations to life. We specialize in teaching practical, transformational techniques to help you get unstuck, shift your vibration, and create the life you truly love on your terms. With years of experience and countless success stories, we're here to guide you every step of the way.
Okay, let's jump right in. Here's why sleep manifestation works so well. It is the golden hour of manifestation. When you're falling asleep or just waking up, your brain enters the Theta state, that dreamy, relaxed space between consciousness and sleep, where your subconsciousness mind is wide open and ready to receive. Think of it like this. Theta is the door to your inner power. Whatever thoughts and emotions you plant there will grow and shape your reality. This is the sweet spot for manifestation because your subconscious mind is wide open and hyper receptive to whatever you feed it. Think of it as fertile soil where you plant your dreams to take root.
So why does this Theta time matter? Because your subconscious runs the show. It's the powerhouse behind 95% of your daily thoughts and habits. By planting positive intentions in this state, you bypass all the doubt and fear your conscious mind loves to throw at you. You can easily access this state anytime with a specific meditation. We love it. It's our favorite. We use it a lot. It's called Yoga Nidra. You can find it on Google, YouTube, whatever, Insight Timer. And also, if you're new here, hit that like, subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It's free and it supports our channel so we can keep bringing you tips like this to help you along your manifestation journey. Did you know your first 90 seconds upon waking is pure gold? The most crucial time. You have 90 seconds after waking before your brain starts to replay yesterday's worries, doubts, and frustrations. So those arguments, those work emails, the stress. So that's actually not a lot of time. That's like before you even brush your teeth. Those same tired thoughts are ready to drag you back into the old pattern.
Here's the fix. Take control of those first few moments. As soon as you wake up, set a powerful intention like, today is full of abundance and opportunity, or I'm living my dream life with ease. This small but mighty shift can completely change the energy that you bring into your day. If you have more time, definitely stay in bed and visualize your dream life already happening. When you sleep, especially during REM, your subconscious mind is wide awake, working overtime, processing information, solving problems, and running on autopilot. It's also the perfect time to program your subconscious with what you truly want. So feed your subconscious with the right instructions before you drift off, as it's the perfect time to download new software into your system. By focusing on positive intentions before sleep, you program your mind to work on your desires overnight, even when you're dreaming of tropical vacations.
Okay, we're gonna give you tips to manifest while you sleep. Here we go. First thing is ditch the drama before bed. Like stop scrolling TikTok, watching true crime documentaries. Stop that. The energy you carry into your sleep is the energy you're gonna wake up with. So instead, focus on what you want to feel or achieve. Like how many times have you watched a crime show or a scary show or a thriller, and then next thing you know, you're having these wild, crazy, intense dreams and wake up flustered and frustrated? Let us know in the comments if you have done that before or felt that. We would love to hear. So instead of that, write down your desires, repeat affirmations, or meditate. This intentional shift can make a whole world of a difference for yourself.
Visualize your dream life in HD. Close your eyes. Imagine your goal as if it's already yours. What do you see? What do you hear? And what do you feel? For example, if you're manifesting a dream house, imagine walking through it, touching the walls, the smell, the views from the windows, and feeling peace and knowing that it's yours. The stronger the emotion, the more potent the manifestation. Tip number 3, create a positive sleep environment. Your bedroom should feel like a sanctuary. Declutter, dim the lights, black out blinds, and maybe add calming scents like lavender or sandalwood. A relaxed body equals a more receptive subconscious.
Number 4, use affirmations or guided meditations. Listen to a sleep meditation or play affirmations quietly as you sleep in the background. Like, repetition is how the subconscious learns. So these tools work like a gentle whisper, reminding your mind what to focus on. Okay, last one. Tip number 5, release and trust. The biggest mistake we make is obsessing over the how and when your manifestation will happen, which leads to creating more resistance, slowing the universe down. Manifestation works best when you plant the seed, let it grow, and trust the universe to deliver it in perfect timing. Your job is to align with the energy, not micromanage the process. Manifestation doesn't have to be hard, especially when you harness the natural power of your sleep. So use the Theta state. Own those first waking moments and set yourself up for success by being intentional before bed. Thank you so much for watching. If this video gave you an aha moment, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs these tips as well. And if you're ready to take your manifestation game to the next level, check out our course, Manifesting Beyond the Ordinary. The link is in the description. This is where we teach you step-by-step how to work with energy to manifest anything you desire while staying aligned with your true self. We just can't wait to see you in the next video.